How's it going, guys? It's Root Junkie here, and we've got another video here on FRP Bypass. This is on a Motorola device here on Android 12, and we'll show you that once we get FRP removed with this bypass method, okay? So you can see two things. You can see it's locked to previously synced Google account, but it also has a little padlock in the top corner. Both those things are going to tell you that the device is FRP locked. Also, I'm already connected to Wi-Fi, so a couple things to note there. All right, so we're going to go all the way back here to the home screen. From the home screen, we're going to go to right here, Vision, and we're going to click on Talkback, and we're going to toggle Talkback on, okay? And then from here, this is kind of annoying, so I'm going to turn this down so we don't have to hear this thing. It drives me absolutely bonkers. So we're going to do an L, okay? And then we're going to go to Talkback Settings, okay? And then we're going to come in here, we're going to find Braille Keyboard, right? Alright, and then we're going to set up Braille Keyboard, and go to Settings, and we're going to turn on Talkback Braille Keyboard. Alright, excellent. Okay, so now that the Braille Keyboard is turned on, we're going to come back out of this, and just kind of keep backing out. And then we're going to close the tutorial, and we're going to turn Talkback off. That's just really annoying. And it makes you have to double tap everything. All right, so we've got the Braille keyboard enabled. That's really the key to start this process. So from here, we're just going to go in here where we can basically get to a keyboard. And the easiest way to get to the keyboard is to right here go back, and then click on a different Wi-Fi network, just so you can have a keyboard come up. Okay. So from here, we're going to hold on the little globe on the keyboard, and that's going to let us get over here to the Braille keyboard. So we're going to get in that one, and it says turn on accessibility settings. We're going to do that. Okay, so here's where the magic happens, okay? Because now we can turn on different things like the accessibility menu right here, okay? And now we have this, right? So this is really, really helpful because now we can move into the device quite a bit farther. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to get Assistant, Settings, and we're going to open Device Settings, and now we're here in Device Settings. So we're going to go to Applications, okay? And we're going to say See All Applications, and we're going to come in here to Android Setup, and we're going to force stop Android Setup, and we're going to come back, and we're going to come down here, and we're going to look for Google Play Services right there. We're going to force stop Google Play Services, and we're going to disable it. Okay. Now that it's disabled, we should be able to get past this initial setup stuff on the device. And this is pretty easy. Also, while we're in here, might as well just show you. So if we go into About, this is a Moto G Style 5G, and we go to right there, Android version, Android 12. And this is August 1st. It might work on later ones as well, I'm not sure. But we're going to go from here and go see if we can finally do this thing now. So, okay, so skip. And don't forget, we've got the little accessibility menu there, so hit accept. And what should happen here is we should start to get this loop. You guys seen this before in other videos, and this loop is what allows us to get past it because we'll enable Google Play Services after it goes through this loop process, and that should get us into the phone and to get past the initial lock screen. So it's pretty cool. So we got to just wait and let it kind of tick through this in just a moment, please, and let it go through this little process here for us. And we'll then go ahead and re-enable it as we go. So don't copy. And this is the point where it's trying to check this. And we're going to start, yep, so you see it? Checking for updates. Just a sec. Right, we're going to constantly keep seeing this pop up, okay? So if this works right, if I can get my phone to do it. Almost did it. Settings. It's very tricky to get this just right. Okay, oh. Okay. You got to get it just right. It's a timing thing to get it just right and get it re-enabled. But if you can get it re-enabled while it's doing that check loop, you'll actually get, it's like tap, right? It's like really, really fast. You'll actually get past this screen. So just going to do it a couple times until we get it right. Okay, I think I got it. Now let's go back. See if I did it. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, it's very, very tricky. Alright, so here it says I can use the keyboard for Braille. I'm going to say next. Type in whatever password you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is probably going to fail. Yes, it did. Okay, that's fine. So that's fine. So we're going to say skip. Skip. Accept. Okay. And we should have bypassed FRP on this device. Next. A little bit more here. Sure, light's fine. Done. And voila. We just bypassed FRP here on this Android 12 device using the Braille keyboard hack and the setup wizard failure. Pretty sweet, right? Okay, so the last thing to do from here is just go into settings, and then I always do this when I'm done FRP bypassing anything. Actually, you're just gonna do a factory reset. So I think it's system reset options, factory reset, erase everything, erase. And that's it. When the device reboots, you will have FRP removed on this Motorola device on Android 12. There you go, guys. That is the process. Be persistent while you're in that loop. Eventually, you'll time it right and you'll get it, and it won't kick you out. But it does take some practice, but you'll be able to do it. I got confidence in you guys. You're here at PhonLab. You know how this stuff works. So there you go, guys. That's going to wrap it up for this quick video here on FRP Bypass here on Motorola Android 12. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Root Junkie out.